It's okay, I got the key. Sight.
Whoa. I got 2.
You got a key? I need one.
I got the key. Let me see yours. Let me see. Give me yours. Let me see one of yours. No, give me yours.
Can I get one though? Because I'm trying to get out of this.
Wait, where's shirt?
Ain't nobody got no key. Confidence is key, and with this hair, I have none of that.
What?
None of it.
Listen,
none of it.
As you can see, this is a 24-hour handcuff challenge to your partner. We got blue and green.
Yeah.
We got Miss No Show in black. And we got the one and only, the best powerful couple up in here. And we got red and pink.
Yeah, y'all doing too much.
Are you mad?
You mad?
They not.
You're here.
It's just me.
All right, so.
What?
So as you can see, we're gonna be handcuffed together for 24 hours. Yeah, we're gonna run errands, we're gonna eat, we're gonna use the bathroom, we're gonna drive, we're gonna sleep, we're gonna shower.
No, I didn't agree to that.
We're gonna do what we gotta do for 24 hours. And we can't take it off. As you can just see, we just threw the keys. Y'all shut up. As you can
No, they already saw that.
It's not late. We live at Brandon Mall, and
You talking a lot.
that's my job.
Right, do it.
You already know what time it is, bro. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, hit that post notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a banger. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below.
Period.
You're not gonna
Y'all
say
know
it?
what to do.
Let's get the video started.
Don't be doing all that.
Okay, no. Task number 1 is you're gonna put lip gloss on me because I'm running out. But I got girl stuff in here, so he can't see. It's fine. It's fine. Here. Alright. Now. Hold it on me. Alright, here, I'll hold it, you take the cover. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
Why are you moving?
Oh, sorry. Well.
Is that good?
Yo. I guess.
It's perfect.
Twist, twist, turn. Okay. That's great. Awesome. I don't know. I'm hungry.
All right, y'all. As you can see, we in Crocs with it. We're gonna get some Crocs. You feel me? Get them in our colors, right?
Yeah.
In our colors.
I'm handcuffed to the most annoyingest person in the world right now.
First of all,
Why are we going this way?
because we're waiting for.
They didn't go this way.
Oh.
But
Come on, you gotta walk faster, bro. You gotta keep up with me. Oh, hold on. My pants are caught on it. Oh, okay. All right, look. You got it. Here, hold this. Oh, my. Make sure it's still recording.
Sorry guys, I put you guys in the pocket.
Is this a 12? This is a men's 10. What size is it? Are they sure they 13, bro?
it might be 12. It might be 12.
These are 13.
Look. What you got in your cup?
Water. You want to try it? Hit ass. Oh, don't do that. She was just drinking my Sprite.
Buy me some Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret? Come on.
I'll do it after the video. The camera's on.
Get her a green bra. Oh.
I was not
You're
saying it like that.
disclosing information, sir.
That's not what I meant.
Can't be doing that here.
We can't?
Yeah, we leaving right now. We leaving right now.
Oh, where are we gonna go? Where are we going?
We're leaving.
It's my birthday, security officer.
Oh, he's still standing right there.
We're leaving, bro.
We're leaving. Damn.
Yeah, keep it going. Keep it going.
I don't give a fuck what they say or don't say.
I wanted to make a TikTok.
I'm gonna go sideways.
Why is he still following us? First of all, your breath already stinks.
No, it doesn't. I brush my teeth, sir.
don't mean shit if you're a
Yes, they do. Okay, I brushed my teeth too.
Where'd you park?
Oh, shoot, I forgot. Oh, this way.
We could try another store.
Y'all have black Crocs in the size 11. Oh man. All right, thank you. Well, they don't have orange.
Never mind on the Crocs. No go.
They might have them in here.
What's that?
Bruh. I don't think they do. Yo, y'all got black Crocs? Oh man. You know,
They don't got Crocs anywhere. Yes.
Black Air Force. Right. I need black forces for.
407.
What you trying to get into? I know her pen. I know it. We're gonna steal everything in here. I can't believe you sit here and watch the whole thing.
Thank you. Okay. We're done with one store.
How do we get in the car?
Oh, there's a rainbow.
There's a rainbow. Look at the rainbow.
Look, it's right there.
Where?
Let's go find some gold.
Ooh. Alright, yeah. You gotta come with me, buddy.
They did it! Driving with one hand.
On Blackski, of course.
I guess.
Coco.
You going through here?
Yeah, we can.
Walk a little slower for me.
Hi, how are you? No, we're good, thank you.
We trying to find something about you handcuffs.
Like, I like cheekers and boy shorts. Alright, so, quick little lessons for the boys. Your girls like thongs and cheekers, not that granny panties or none of that other stuff. And we like neutral colors so that we can match them with bras and stuff. That's small.
Bro, get granny panties. Get the big XXL draws.
That's what's left back here. I like airport security. No recording, no recording. Look at these.
I'm about to pay for this.
You gotta pay. That's all period.
Yeah. Alright.
Come on, okay, so we gotta run all the way that way.
Yeah, you crazy.
Because Bath and Body Works is all the way over there.
This is why you can't be a cut the girl. I could be cut to a blue ski, maybe
Can we?
black ski.
Look, it's already red.
But look at this, man. Look at this.
Okay, you dark skin, light
I know, but
skin.
look, man. Look, they want us to be cuffed to this. Come on, we doing this for y'all. So I'm gonna need this video to have like 100K likes and 1 million views. And if not, I'm gonna jump off a building, handcuffed.
We cuffed for real.
Yeah. So they always say we cuffed.
We
Boom.
cuffed for real.
Safety first.
I have to put the key in the ignition. Hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got everyone in here wishing. No copyright.
Doing a YouTube video. They're using my phone. I can't. It's not here.
Just wanted to let you guys know that I love you. Mwah! Okay, here. Put that in, Novato. Don't take that.
Wait, is there an apple in here?
Yeah, but it's that way, and then on the next intersection, make a left. Look at that.
How much are they like? The camera wasn't recording, but we just seen pink and red. We gotta outdo them, bro. They went shopping. We're on the way to Apple right now though, because I want a fast charging box. She's about to go buy it for me. You feel me?
We ain't broke, so I'm finna go get it for him.
Yeah. I'm coming to this boy looking for a fast charging box.
Hey, you can't do that in here. Hey, can't do that in here.
You say you can't record, but we're gonna record anyways, face ass. Wait, no, it's like a box. It's like this, but it's like a fatter one and it charges your phone faster.
No, so you mean the battery pack or
It's not a battery pack. It's literally
I mean the 20 watt is?
Yeah, this is it.
I was like, I think it was
Just plug it in the wall?
Yeah.
My bad.
Wait, how much is this? I saw this. $99.
$99.
So you can charge that while charging your phone. Like, charge this and charge your phone.
I thought we were on the other side of it.
Smell good.
Right?
I want to explore.
Ow.
You trying to give me something too? Look, they got about 3 get 3 free. Let's share. I think she's finna shop for me, guys.
You really want something?
Hell yeah, I'll take something.
Okay. Well, I'm looking for vanilla.
Vanilla?
That's the only perfume I wear.
Oh, you getting perfume?
And lotion. Perfume and
I was
lotion.
talking about body wash.
I found
But
it.
what you want? Oh, boom, she found it. Wait,
Now
hold
I
on.
need the perfume.
Sugar. Is it like good to eat?
Yeah, try it. It's very edible. Oh,
Tasty. Sugary. Hit that.
where'd you put it down? I need it.
Right here. I didn't really eat it, guys. Don't try this at home. I think we're about to get asked to take a picture. I'm not even gonna lie. Just give it like 10 seconds. Yeah. Look at her reaction. Look at the little girl.
Hi. Handcuff. Go back.
Worst feeling all day.
It's amazing. He loves it.
We love to support her. She's so adorable. She reminds me of my daughter. Not really, because I mean my daughter's only 7 months, but.
We're going to a Wawa because I want those little chocolates.
Make a left.
The little, huh?
Never mind.
Do not backtrack me. I'm kind of in the middle of something right now. No, I'm just kidding. I want those little Lindor chocolates. And I want a Coke Zero. What do you want, Fred? What do you want?
For this to be over. I just want to like, I know I thanked y'all before. I just want to thank y'all again for 1.1 million. And thank you for getting her banned. Because like,
Literally, they haven't
without
given me
y'all,
my
that wouldn't
account
have happened.
back.
That wouldn't have happened if she didn't get banned. You know, she wouldn't have got banned if it wasn't for y'all. So I appreciate that.
It was you guys?
She makes
You
less
guys
videos
did
now,
that to
so
me?
you know. Anyways, my birthday is coming up. It's her birthday, but we don't care. Our birthday's in like 2 months, so if you guys want to, you know, prepare for my birthday,
Nobody wants to
I might have
Ooh, I have to take
party
my
or
pills.
something. Why are you interrupting me?
Okay, so like y'all see, Apple wasn't fucking with us either. They told us to stop the
They
recording.
just keep kicking us out, but she bought this for me.
But yeah, I bought him the new fast charger and the
Because she's
cable.
just saying, you know. All right, we finna go on Lush because she said she's gonna see if she wants something in here. You feel me? I'm dead. So we finna you see what she want in here, bruh. Yeah. Bro, what's good with this? What y'all did this? I feel you.
Yes, sir.
You feel me? That was good, bruh. They got this man walking around with that on his head.
Yeah, sanitize.
Hold on.
Them dirty ass hands. It smells so good in here.
Bro, make sure
bro.
you're recording. You smell it and not paying attention.
I want to feel the lip scrubs.
Goes on your lips.
That cherry taste is strong. Right? You can lick it off, yeah.
She just ate that.
It says lick away the excess.
Nah, you dead ass just ate that. She dead just swallowed it.
So I cannot see her card. You know how people is when they're very overprotective with their information. Get the card information, get it. We got her shoes.
Papaya. Next is papaya. I'm only gonna get a shirt. They don't have a papaya in the Florida Mall, and if they do, their clothes are ass. I'm getting
Why
two.
you say they don't have one if they do?
I think that's the only size for white. I just grabbed this.
That case.
Okay, the lady's not there. Look at him, impatient.
I do have to use the bathroom.
You do? Oh my gosh. Take the key out of the ignition with me. Film our hands. Hot and fresh out the kitchen.
Wow.
The struggle is real.
Look at it. Oh, I do need to take my pills.
If I didn't want to move, where were you gonna go?
I was finna drag you right along with me, sir.
Okay.
Look at this, guys. We're always gonna get this. Well, you ran out. That's disrespectful. Oh man.
I heard she may not be doing this right now. I'm talking about look at the size difference. I know we're like the same height, but like size wise, like I wouldn't. It's her birthday, so I'll give her a little bit of.
You want something else?
No face mask.
You want something else? Bro, that's why I don't like. Bro, that's why you can't go shopping with females, bro. They want to look at everything, bro. Nah, come on. You sure?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Thank you.
Don't say that because I just said that.
Hey there, buddy. Oh, I know you? Oh, it's like that? It fits. How you doing? So we kind of just got kicked out. Not even. We just left because they didn't want us to record. What a bunch of losers.
Yeah, they're so rude.
What a bunch of losers. We didn't want to give you guys promo anyways.
These are the ones, guys. These are so good. We're gonna get two.
We came here to get 2 chocolates and a drink.
Yeah. Did you have a better idea? I kept asking you. You didn't say anything.
2 chocolates and 1 drink.
Yes, sir.
Look, we're at, what is it called? Fun on Target. We're about to go in here and pay for some rounds and go shoot some shit up. Face ass.
I'd leave it sitting on there and try to, steady it as much as you can, or do a one-hand deal.
You know, it's my first time shooting a BB gun.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we gotta see.
No.
I'm doing it one-handed. Wait, you gotta shoot. Wait, she's shooting her target, not shooting mine, right?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Whoever get more targets wins, bro. Whoever get less targets staying. How about that?
I'm already out.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. It's not shooting.
Bruh, if I don't hit this, there we go. Snap.
Look at that. Look at that beautiful
so
Signify. I don't think pink is on the rainbow. They need to go ahead and add that. Because
Red is in there.
pink is like slept on.
Red is in there.
Pink is everyone's favorite color.
No, I don't think so.
We
You
are.
You are we.
You are he.
You are she.
You and me.
You corny as hell. So you're gonna go in through here.
Oh, Rescue. We're about to go in lunch real quick, bro. Y'all messing up our video. How am I messing up y'all video? You can still walk in. Because you interrupted it, bro. All right. All right, we're gonna go.
Okay. Don't sit on my stuff.
My bad.
Sat on some Rice Krispies.
Okay.
Didn't seem so bad.
Now, take this out.
Okay, guys, come here. So we teleported to Best Buy somehow.
I'm about to get a camera.
Her bad driving just like, did something. We teleported. So now we're at Best Buy. She's getting the camera, and we're with my boy Ian. I'm pretty sure y'all know who he is. Yeah, we're about to make a TikTok, so this is behind the scenes.
I was running through the streets with my woes.
We at the car now, as you can see. And now we really about to do this. So, all right, y'all ready? Get it. Make sure you pay attention. Give me the bag. Now I'm gonna hold them. All ready? That was easy.
Yeah,
That was actually easier.
That was too easy.
That was really easy. All right.
Stop the move.
Okay.
All right, check this out. I'm gonna cash up you, right? After you pay for it.
After I pay for it.
Yeah, so I know how much it was exactly. You'll be alright. Let's make some TikToks.
Mild sauce, guac, lettuce and cheese. Y'all heard that? From the bus.
I'm gonna probably get double everything in cap.
Oh, this doesn't even have a flip up. Wait, where is it? This isn't the one.
Hello?
Oh, it's this one.
I need some assistance, please.
I should get it with the mic. How much is a mic? Hi, I was trying to get a camera. I'm interested in getting this one. And then
It's sold out.
it's sold out?
Yeah. That looks like a Best Buy product shop.
What are y'all doing?
Oh, look. Look at our FaceTime call.
They eating Chipotle, you fat asses.
Alright guys, let's all meet up.
So where are we going? Whoa, wait, go back. Show the stuff that y'all got. You're going where?
We're right next to Ross. I'm buying a camera right now.
Alright, bet.
You want to do ASMR? What kind of mic? Where's you? They got mics here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Last time I was here, I seen it. It should be in electronics, right?
Bro, I thought you had it.
Oh, bruh, you was pointing over there. That's your fault.
Wait, what she said?
Okay, yeah, let's electronics, right? That's where the mic should be.
Look, they got all the kinds of shoes. You want these?
Hill figure.
Yeah, you can snap in these, bro.
Alright.
These are men's.
I know.
Champion.
Bro, they trying to be like us so bad.
Hey! Go over here real quick.
You shopping?
Yeah.
Are you
It's
shopping?
been a very minute.
You're shopping?
It's been a very
Are you shopping?
something like that. You know, I ain't got too much bread on me, but let's check the bank account.
I'm proud of you. High five, because you actually got a debit card.
I bet I one.
But you never used it, though. Was I right?
I'm probably I can afford a shirt. That's it.
Guys, we're back. What the fuck? We're back. We're at Ross right now. We're meeting up with everyone else. We teleported again. We were at Best Buy, and she didn't get the camera, but she's gonna get it. I don't know why it's still dark. And they're making TikToks.
Let me grab it now. You've grabbed it enough.
Hi, guys.
It's green ski.
All right, so we're gonna try this Taiwan dessert. It's called mochi, and it's kiwi flavored around rice dough. Black Ski picked it out. Hopefully it's bussin'.
Bussin'. Ooh, the light just kicked on. It don't matter because I'm light skinned. You would have seen me anyways.
Can't get it open. Okay, hold on.
Why I feel like that? Look at it. I'm spitting it out if it's nasty, bro.
Okay, ready? 3,
Go.
2,
2.
1. Go, bite into it.
It's actually good. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like sushi.
It don't taste like sushi.
Yes, it do. It tastes like rice, like the rice they be putting in sushi. Yes, it do. You don't eat sushi, bro.
I don't like it.
I like it.
No, it tastes like old gummies. It tastes like gummies, but like old, like expired.
That looks like candy. No thanks. I don't even eat candy. If it tastes disgusting, I'm punching
It's not bad. It's just weird.
What the hell? Why
It's
is it
good.
like that?
It's good. It's key lime.
She said.
You gotta eat it all at one time.
Okay, y'all. So we just got back from the mall, Ross,
Still
Chipotle, Wawa, everywhere.
Best Buy.
And now we're at Purple's house.
Yay!
And we're all still handcuffed. No one took it off. Now it's nighttime, as y'all can see if you wanna show the outside.
And then show them the apartment number, the address, all that shit.
Show the outside. It's dark outside.
We're definitely not at 133.
We about to knock out.
Right here.
Not like this,
We
obviously.
go to sleep like this every day.
We gotta turn off the light and all that. Okay, okay.
Hours is over.
Alright, can we go to
actually
sleep?
taking them shits off, bro?
Can we go to sleep?
Let's go to sleep.
We're done. The video's over.
Let's
The
go to
video's over.
sleep. Come on, lay on the
So,
floor.
if you made it this far, you made it to the end of the video. You already know what that means. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you already subscribed, turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever we drop a banger, which is every week now. Probably like twice a week now, because you know we got a new editor. Sadly, someone's gonna be leaving soon.
Everybody say bye, Grease.
So everyone say bye.
Everybody
Green.
say bye.
Comment in the comment section, bye, because she's gonna be leaving soon.
Bye.
She's gonna be joining the T-Skis.
Comment down below what I always say.
Turn the
Hola,
camera for me.
babies.
She's gonna
Turn
be
the camera
joining the
for me.
T-Skis.
Right here.
Look at us.
This is gonna be the new duo. Come back. Come like in between. This is the new duo right here.
Okay, look,
T-ski.
handcuffs are coming off.
No more shipping them two. It's them two.
Yes. No more. Please look. Please.
Come on, let's
put
go
the
to
camera
the
here.
roof.
Please put the camera right here.
Don't
This.
cut that out, Nevada.
Look. This right here. Done.
Leave it in.
Turn the camera one more time.
Me
That
and Pink.
right here. This is the.
Hey, I see.
All fake, my wrist. All fake.
Where the
So like,
detective?
This is
can you
the
like
new
finish your
shipping.
outro part?
This is it.
Like,
I just wanted to say that. All right, look.
this is even going in the video.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. This is
Oh,
actually
yeah.
going in the end of the video.
Bashowski.
Here. I am no longer in the picture. I never was in the picture. That was all content. But here, this is real.
I'm bouncing.
This is
You
a real
guys
couple.
are so all up in the comments.
We're not lying. This is real.
Let's end all the shit.
now-
Because all the girls are starting to get boyfriends.
Yeah,
So
everyone.
all of us, well, except for him. just
All
us.
the single
We're
men.
done.
All the single men.
We're done. So we've been seeing y'all. We've been peeping on Instagram, TikTok, all that. You feel me?
I'm ready.
Hot
So
girl
I couldn't really do nothing because I got like shit with this person
All the
right
people that were scared to hit us up because you thought we were shit with
here.
somebody.
Yeah, we're not shit with.
We're not
I'm
shit with anybody.
Yeah, I'm totally.
So if you were scared to hit us up before, you know, I had some people tell me like, "Oh, you got a girl." No.
Anyways, enough of that.
free.
No one even cares.
Right.
Anyway, shut up.
No one cares.
Like,
They don't want
comment,
you
subscribe.
anyway.
Follow our individual Instagrams. Follow our individual TikToks. Buy our merch.
It's just so crazy
Follow
that we
our
got
personals. Follow our page.
Personals, do that. Buy our merch.
I already said that.
Her voice is annoying,
We're
guys.
done.
We're out of here.
I love you.